Hello everyone, how you all are? I hope you all are well. I hope you all are fit and fine. In this video we will discuss the types of workers in India. Okay, in the last video we have already discussed the occupation which people do for their earning, for their living, and now in this video we will discuss about the laborers who work in India. So let's start. So the first one I would like to explain you about the skilled laborers. Okay, so skilled laborers are the people who work, such as the tailor. Means some people are there who work a specific work, a special work that is different from others. Like they work as a tailor, they worked as a plumbers, electrician, so they required a special skill. Okay, so they are called skilled laborers. They work for the people and in return they get money, means their earning is their skill. Okay, so how they earn? Because they have an extraordinary skills, that's why they are able to earn. All right, so once again I am telling you that skilled laborers are the laborers who have a particular skill which is special. Means a plumber knows how to fit the apparatus of water, means they know how to fit the tap, they know how to fit the cistern, they know how to fit the pipes. Okay, so this is their skill, that's why they earn money. They work for the people and in return they get money. Okay, and one more thing is there, their work is on the daily basis wages. Means they work on the daily basis, they have no monthly salary anywhere. They work on the daily basis for the people and in return they money on every day. All right, a particular day if they don't work, so they did not get money also. Okay, so their work is based on the daily wages. All right, next is, here are few pictures of skilled laborers. It's a electrician, it's a gardener, it's a carpenter and it's a driver. So all are skilled laborers. All right, next is the domestic workers. So domestic workers are appointed by others to do household works. Means in the few houses, in so many houses nowadays which both people are working, means husband wife is there and both are working, so they need another one who help in the household work, so they appoint a person which is called a domestic worker, and that particular person help in the cleaning clothes and cleaning the house, iron the clothes, okay, and dish wash, and sometime for cooking also. So these types of workers are called domestic workers. They earn by working in others house and generally they are low paid. Okay, in India domestic workers are not high paid, they are low paid and they work very hard, still they are low paid. Okay, so here are few pictures of domestic workers. Means you can see she is cleaning the floor. Okay, means she is mopping and she is cleaning the door also, means she is cleaning the glasses of the windows. She is doing everything. She is removing cobwebs from the walls, and a lot of things are there which domestic workers do. Sometimes they look after the kids, small kids of the family also. Okay, and in return the family which is appointed them, they give them monthly wages or daily wages which is decided by both of them. Okay, so they are called domestic workers. Means जो दूसरों के घरों में काम करते हैं and in return they get money, they are called domestic workers. All right, next one is the child laborers. So the child laborers are, as you understand by the name, it's all about the children. The children who work to earn their living are called child laborers. All right, means they do different types of work like household works in others house or canteens or shops, showrooms. As a helper sometimes they work with the skilled laborers. All right, so they do many types of work, they do different types of work, small or big kind of work, and in return they get money, they earn their living by doing work, and they are very low paid and sometimes they misbehaved by other employers, by their employers. Sometimes जो छोटे बच्चे होते हैं जो काम करते हैं दूसरों के यहाँ, तो वो मिसबिहेव भी उनसे किया जाता है, and their life is quite difficult and different from the other children of their age. they don't go to school regularly, they don't eat good, they eat the leftover food, they don't wear neat and clean clothes, means they are not looking after properly by anyone. Okay, they live for themselves by working. Okay, and they don't wear neat and clean clothes, even sometimes they wear teared clothes also. Okay, so इस तरह के जो बच्चे होते हैं जो वर्क एज अ चाइल्ड लेबर, दे डोंट हैव गुड फूड टू ईट, दे डोंट हैव गुड क्लॉथ्स टू wear. Okay, and sometimes they don't have a particular place to sleep also, means they don't have house, so their life is very difficult. And we people should feel that we are blessed enough that we are not at the place of child labors, so we should thank the God for that. Although child labor is banned in India child labor is considered as a crime, but although child labor is banned in India, still many children work as a child laborers, means it is banned, still many child are working as a child laborers in many fields, many places. You can see, आपने खुद अपनी आंखों से देखा होगा बहुत सारे बच्चों को यहाँ वहाँ काम करते हुए, आप देख सकते हैं कि उनकी कंडीशन क्या होती है. दे ऑलवेज वेयर टियर क्लॉथ्स, दे डोंट हैव गुड फूड टू ईट, समटाइम in the many cases they are malnutrition, means उनका न्यूट्रिशन जो होता है वो कंप्लीट नहीं होता है. they are suffered from the malnutrition problems. Okay, they suffered from many diseases of nutrition related. Okay, so we should thankful to the God that we are blessed enough. And you can see the picture how they are forced to work, means कोई भी बच्चा अपनी मर्जी से इस तरह का काम नहीं करना चाहेगा, but they are forced because they don't have food to eat, and to live they need to work. Okay, so 3 types of workers I told you in the video: skilled laborers, domestic laborers, and child laborers, as you can understand. So the chapter is finished here. Okay, in the next video we will do the exercise of this particular chapter. Thank you, have a nice day.